Have you ever noticed hiccups strike randomly, like your diaphragm's throwing a tantrum? Like, how does a simple burp turn into unstoppable spasm torture? Some people think it's just trapped air or eating too fast, but you only have to hold your breath to realize that's temporary relief only. Turns out the vagus nerve gets irritated by stomach stretch or cold drinks, triggering phrenic nerve misfires that slam your diaphragm into violent contractions every 2 seconds. Brain can't stop the reflex loop. Here's the wild twist. Scare cures work by shocking the vagus, same nerve that controls your heartbeat. Hack your hiccups.